So today I'm going to make an attempt to debunk the science behind manifestation. In case you were wondering, manifestation is scientific. It's not just one of these made up words by New Age spirituality or whatever some people might choose to call it. So there's a relationship between manifestation, quantum physics, magnetic fields, energy, frequency, and vibration. And this has been a fascinating concept for when it has to do with personal transformation and the concept of manifestation. Quantum physics teaches us that everything in the universe is made up of energy and that everything is in constant vibration. It also teaches us that everything exists in duality. It means that things or matter, that solid matter, exists in both particle and wave form. So the double slit experiment that was performed several decades ago highlighted this duality of matter principle. And even as recent as last year, 2023, Imperial College London equally performed the same double slit experiment that confirmed the same duality principle of matter. So what they postulate is that when matter, in the experiment, I don't want to go into that experiment because it would be sort of sidetracking what this video is all about today. Maybe if people are interested enough in that, I can create another video on that concept. But in a nutshell, so what it means is that an atom or matter will continue to exist as waves. When it has to do with the double slit experiment, they shot an electron through double slit. What they discovered was that when that electron, which if you do understand a bit about science, electron is one of the things that orbit an atom. Remember that we're all made up of atoms. Everything that you can see, imagine your thoughts, your emotions, you as a human being, the house you live in, everything is made up of atoms. So but what they're saying was that when that electron that was shot through that particular slit or double slit, when it wasn't being observed, it was existing as waves, or they were existing as waves. As soon as they became observed, they collapsed into particles. So what it means, or what it's suggesting, is that even these electrons are conscious. Everything is conscious. Everything that is made up of atom, everything, as we know, we're all conscious. Even the things that we think are unconscious, as we call inanimate beings, or the things that we call man-made. We didn't really make anything because we didn't create atoms. And we know that we are nothing but stacked atoms. We are nothing but spirit bodies. Remember that an atom, when at the very, very subatomic or microscopic level, contains 99.99% empty space. So we are nothing but stacked atoms. Everything you see, they are all stacked atoms, even the tools, man-made tools, so-called man-made tools. Okay, so what this double slit experiment was suggesting is that even the house that we live in exists as waves until a conscious observer comes into question or begins to observe that particular matter or particle, and then it collapses into solid particles. So your house operates or exists as waves, your car exists as waves, your shoes, you wear, everything, your body, you exist as waves until a conscious observer comes to observe you, and then you become a solid matter. It's pretty interesting, to be honest. So moving on, so what this means is that all matter, including our thoughts, our emotions, are all composed of vibrational energy. It means that we are all in constant vibration. Your thoughts are in constant vibration. Then moving on to magnetic fields. So magnetic fields generate movement, or rather magnetic fields are generated when charged particles are in motion. So these play crucial roles in our existence, actually, or the environment around us, because our bodies, our brains also generate electromagnetic fields, and all these interact with the atmosphere, or rather with the universe or the cosmos, the earth that we live in. All right, so remember that we as atoms, we are nothing but spirit, meaning that we're nothing but energy bodies existing as humans. Okay, so it means that energy, frequency, and vibration are all interconnected concepts, and this describe our very essence of existence here on earth. All right, so now we've covered quantum physics, what quantum physics teaches us. Now we've covered the magnetic fields, how we also generate electromagnetic fields. So what it means is that our thoughts and our emotions escape through this human flesh that covers this stacked atom of our bodies and escape into the universe, into the cosmos. All right, so there is this interplay between our thoughts, between us and the universe. All right, because we're nothing but spirit beings, we're nothing but energy beings or energy bodies. So everything in this universe has got its own unique vibrational frequency. It means that everything has its own signature frequency, including you. You have your own unique signature frequency that you vibrate at. So anything that you're trying to call into your existence or into your reality has got its own vibrational frequency. So when we are speaking about vibrational alignments, what it means is when your own vibration, your signature vibration is in alignment with the frequency of whatever thing, whatever experience, be it in form of either success or wealth or money. Remember, money is energy. Money has got its own signature frequency. So if you raise your vibration to be at the same frequency that is the same or at par with the frequency of money as its own energy thing, then the universe has no choice than to call that particular thing into your reality. That is the rule of the game, all right? There is no gimmicks. So we're referring to this matching our vibrational states with the frequency of the reality or experience that you desire to manifest. That's just the law of the universe. Law of attraction works based on law of vibration as well. So nobody can sidetrack anyone. It's all down to you. Remember, we're all players in this virtual reality or matrix or whatever term you want to describe it with. We're all players, we're all actors here, and you're writing your own script through your vibration. Any act that you want to, any role that you want to play, you are the director. You can assign any role to yourself through your vibrational frequency. So now we are moving on to the concept of neuroplasticity. This refers to the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new neural connections. This happens throughout life. This is pretty amazing because previously scientists thought that the brain is not able to regenerate or reorientate or do anything like that. But the concept of neuroplasticity of the brain has debunked that myth. And it teaches us now that the brain is constantly adapting itself and rewiring itself based on our experiences, based on our thoughts and our emotions and things that happen around us. Okay, so by harnessing these principles, the principle of neuroplasticity of the brain, and understanding that we are nothing but energy body, understanding the concept of frequency, vibration, energy, magnetic field, and neuroplasticity. If we harness all this, it means that we are capable of rewiring and reprogramming our own brain. Through this knowledge, we can rewire and reprogram our brain and create the correct frequency for our brain waves to align with the frequency of whatever we want to call into our reality. Does that make sense? So by making conscious effort to reprogram yourself, we've been victims of programming by the society that keeps us into captivity, telling us all sorts of lies about who we are and how powerless we are. But we are strong, we are very powerful because we are able to rewire our own brain waves into a certain frequency that will call in any kind of thing that we want to manifest into our reality. That's pretty amazing. And the powers that be, they know this, and that's why they've tried and they've been trying their level best to keep us severely distracted from ourselves, because the only way you can reconnect with yourself, the only way you can rewire your brain waves to achieve or to attain that frequency level that will be in alignment with the preferred reality you want to experience is by being in tune with yourself, by going back to yourself, by reconnecting with yourself. They keep us distracted by all this bad and terrible news and all sorts of terrible things that will keep you constantly distracted. They're not helping you in any way, and they are telling you all sorts of lies. That the solution to whatever challenge or any problem you have is right there outside. Seeking help, begging and crying. Begging and crying is among the lowest frequency. You don't want to be there. You don't want to go to that victimization mode or frequency. It doesn't serve you any good. Source doesn't feel sorry for you when you're crying. You're actually doing yourself, terrible disservice by crying or feeling victimized, because when you're doing that, you're calling in that kind of thing, those experiences into your reality. You will be experiencing more of struggles, because that's the vibration. If you choose to have that sort of vibrational frequency as your own signature of vibration, that's really a shame, because you'll be calling in more and more struggles into your life. So that's beside the point for now. We can do another video on that later on. So through practices like mindfulness, visualization, positive affirmations, grounding, and any of these mindful practices, these are the things that will help you to stay, to reconnect with yourself. So you will be able to retune your frequency to the specific levels or frequencies that you want, in order to be able to call in any particular experience you want into your reality. I hope this has helped. If any of this makes sense, I know that this might be a little bit deeper for some people who are not yet seeking or who are not yet on their awakening journey. But if you resonate with any of this, feel free to watch, some of the videos that I've been posting here and then on YouTube as well. But most importantly, if you are interested in gaining more or deeper knowledge on how you can get into harmony with yourself to be able to manifest your desired or your preferred life experiences faster rather than waiting for months and years, if you're interested in that, feel free to grab a copy of my Top 1% Billionaire Codex, which you can find the link on the description or the caption below. Thank you, beautiful souls, for watching. Now, are you ready to unlock the power within and manifest your dream life? Do you want to dive deep into the secrets of harmony with your higher self and quantum manifestation? Then feel free to grab my Top 1% Billionaire Codex course. It's your ultimate guide to awakening and quantum manifestation. The link to my website, where you'll get it much cheaper than what you will spend on a movie night out with friends, is down there in the description. In this course, you will discover how to connect with your higher self, unleash your inner power, and align with the abundance of the universe. Whether you're seeking personal transformation or looking to manifest your dreams into reality, this course has got you covered. It's quite unique, and it's designed in a concise and easy to grasp format, providing you with everything you need to know to elevate your consciousness and manifest your preferred life experiences. Plus, if you're interested in earning extra income without the usual gimmicks out there, then don't miss out on our special promo link down in the description below, where you'll get to keep a whopping 76% of each copy you sell via our Digistore outlet. It's the Digistore 24 outlet. I know it doesn't make any business sense to give away literally all of the revenue in commission, but this is one of my gifts to humanity. I like to support you in your journey to freedom in any way I possibly can. So take the first step towards a life of abundance and fulfillment. Click on the promo link below and get started now without spending a dime. All you gotta do is simply share on your platforms and groups, and that's how we all ascend together as collective conscious beings. So you won't see 76% commission on an already popular product like the Top 1% Billionaire Codex, so don't miss out. Take advantage of this limited time offer before we cap the affiliate number, because I can tell you now that it's filling up fast. Your best life awaits. Get going.